If your RAM 3500 keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection during your drive, here is how to troubleshoot the glitch. Statistically, 80% of infotainment drops are caused by low-quality cables or outdated system firmware. Let us break down the diagnostic process to get your Uconnect system back on track. Start by swapping your cable for an Apple-certified one, cleaning your phone port, and fully repairing the device. Often the issue is software-based, so verify your Uconnect system and your iPhone are both running the latest updates. If software updates fail, the USB media hub in your center console might have a loose pin or damaged wiring. You can handle cables and resets yourself, but if the hardware is faulty, it is time to visit the dealer. Replacing a cable is cheap, but replacing a failed media hub or head unit component can get expensive quickly. For a persistent glitch, try a soft reboot by holding the volume and tune knobs down until the screen resets. Keep a small diagnostic kit in your glove box, including a spare certified cable and a basic wrench for battery resets. Remember, intermittent issues usually point to cables, while constant failures point to internal hardware. Test these steps in order and you will likely fix your CarPlay connection without a mechanic. Drive safe.